Hello friends, welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 10 update error using 4 simple and proven methods. If your Windows update gets stuck, fails to download, or keeps showing error messages, then watch this video till the end, because one of these methods will definitely solve your problem. Method 1. Use Windows Update Troubleshooter. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. Now go to Update and Security. On the left side, click Troubleshoot and then select Additional Troubleshooters. Here, choose Windows Update and click Run the Troubleshooter. This built-in tool automatically detects the issue and applies the fix for you. Once it completes, restart your PC. Method 2. Repair system files. Now, if the first method doesn't work, don't worry. Click the search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type this command, SFC/scan now and press Enter. This will scan and repair corrupted system files. After that, type dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This command repairs the Windows Update components. Once everything is done, restart your system. Method 3. Update Windows using the official Update Assistant. Open any browser. Now open the link shown on the screen. You can also copy and paste the link in the video description. Scroll down and click Update Now. A small tool will download. Once the download complete, open it and follow the steps to update Windows to the latest version without errors. Method 4. Use Media Creation Tool. If your update still fails, then use the Media Creation Tool. Open the browser and type Media Creation Tool in the search bar. Click on Download Windows 10 Disk Image ISO file from Microsoft's official website. Click Download Tool now. Open the tool, click Accept, then click Next, and again click Accept. Make sure the option Install Windows 10 and Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected. This will reinstall Windows without deleting your data and fix the update error completely. I hope this detailed tutorial helped you fix your Windows 10 update problem. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to TechGetter Official for more useful tech videos.